Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a present unboxing. One of my subscriber friends sent me this beautiful gift for Christmas, so I'm going to open it up. And it's got my name. See, it's really for me. I'll get the ribbon. She always uses the prettiest ribbon. Alright, they're taped together, so, well, there just ain't no way of getting into this without just getting into it, right? So we're going to get Woody out here to help us. He needs to help. I'm going to get this open and see what it is. I'm so excited. And this is a friend that likes to remain unnamed, so I am going to leave her unnamed. Out of respect and all that good stuff. She likes her privacy. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, how pretty. I'm going to break it. Come on, Teak. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's kind of see-through. I like that. Alright, so that is my moon barrette. Oh, how pretty. Pretty, pretty. I don't get to open any mini presents like this anymore because... excuse all the noise, because we do gift bags a lot around here, you know. Times they are changing. Oh, how gorgeous. Oh, how pretty. I love that. Oh, that reminds me of like all the bubble nails and acrylic nails that people were doing with stuff like this in them. And I can always use a pretty purple pen. So I want to thank my friend so very much for thinking of me at this time of year and sending me these goodies that she made. I know she made them because she's crafty like that. And I just really wanted to, you know, do an unboxing and share. So I want to thank you very much, my girlfriend, and I want to thank all of you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.